liked a man who sparkled. I was shiny to the core. We danced to tainted love. She whispered, "You're a mover." I didn't know she'd rob me blind and nick my bloody hoover. She stole my heart and my hoover, vanished in the night like a smooth maneuver. Took my love and my Henry too, left a note that said, "I'll always hoover you." Oh. We had 3 wild weekends, then she ghosted all my calls. Left me scrubbing sorrow off my laminate line walls. She took my spare attachments, even nicked